Hey guys, what's up? This is Frank from FGF Sports and Collectibles, and today we are opening 2021 Prestige value packs or fat packs. We're going to be looking for the exclusive sunburst parallels, so we'll see if we find any of those. I posted another video where I opened 2 of these. I got some nice cards. If you did not see that, go check it out. It was a good video. Alright, we're going to start out with Andy Dalton, Preston Williams, Lamar Jackson, Brian Burns, Deion Jones, Laviska Shenault Jr., Terry McLaurin, Jalen Hurts, Michael Piron. We have a Cornell Powell, extra points rookie, and a Justin Herbert. It's a nice card. We have a powerhouse Derrick Henry, which is very true. Any given Sunday, Otis Anderson. Garrett makes stop on 4th down. I don't remember what game that was, but yeah. Youth movement, Terry McLaurin, Kadarius Toney, Nico Collins, Kellen Mond, Kylan Hill. Those are our rookies. Back to base, Bradley Chubb, Ed Oliver, DJ Moore, Julio Jones, McCole Hardman, Keenan Allen, Jimmy Garoppolo, Aaron Jones, Denzel Mims, and Austin Hooper. Chris Jones, Ezekiel Elliott, Christian Wilkins, Brandon Cooks, Quentin Nelson, Mike Evans, John Brown, Tyler Lockett, Antonio Gibson, Darius Slay. We have a Jamar Chase, extra points. That's a nice card. And a Philip Lindsay, extra points. Jamar Chase is pretty cool. He's gotten a lot of touchdowns. Lamar Jackson, time-stamped. Don't remember when that was either. Prestigious Pros, Julio Jones. Powerhouse, Chris Carson. We have a Prestige Heroes, DK Metcalf. I think these are kind of rare. I'm not really sure. I'll do a little bit of research. We have another Trevor Lawrence rookie. Go find out why I say another in the other video. Mac Jones, Frank Darby, Kyler Murray base card. He's done great this year. Ronnie Stanley, Christian McCaffrey is hurt. Alvin Kamara. And that's about it. Alright, last pack. We're again looking for the sunburst parallels. Again, I don't know what they look like. And I'm kind of just going on a limb that the extra point cards are not the sunburst ones. Alright, we have TJ Hawkinson, Leighton Vander Esch, Hayden Hurst, Mahomes, Chandler Jones had 5 sacks, Traquan Smith, Mike Williams, Raheem Mostert, Rashawn Gary, Jamison Crowder. We have a Chris Evans, extra points base, and a Devontae Adams, extra points. Obviously one of the better receivers in the league. Prestigious Pros, Cameron Jordan. Powerhouse, Christian McCaffrey. Any given Sunday, Jerome Bettis. We have a Prestige Heroes, Justin Herbert. Got Mac Jones, Frank Darby, Jalen Waddle. That's a new one. And Racy McMath as the rookie cards. Darius Leonard, Larry Fitzgerald, Allen Robinson, Daniel Jones, Tre'Davious White, Ben Roethlisberger, Josh Allen, Devin White, Deebo Samuel, and Robert Tonyan. Alright, those were some pretty nice packs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. I post 3 videos on Wednesday and Thursday during the NFL season, just with any news or updates about, obviously, the NFL. And I do my best to post once on Sunday if I have a video available. So, again, thank you guys all for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for my future videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!